Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue the file is too large for the destination file system. So I am getting this error when I try to paste my file inside my pen drive, and as you can see my pen drive has 28 GB of free space, but the file I am trying to paste is just 11 GB. So I'm still getting this error. So I'll be showing you the reason as well as the solution for this problem. The reason for this issue is this particular pen drive is of the FAT format, and FAT format allows only files up to 4 GB. So for this, basically we will be formatting this pen drive and converting it to another format. So first step is make sure that you are having all the content in your existing pen drive backed up, and after that right click and select format, and here we will be having the option like to choose the file system. Just go here. You can go with NTFS or exFAT. I would recommend you to go with exFAT since it has both Mac OS as well as Windows compatibility. So just go here to exFAT and click on start and click on OK. So the format is complete now. OK again. And now if I go to properties, as you can see its file system is exFAT, and if I go here and paste it, that 11 GB file is getting copied now. So that's it guys, we have solved this issue. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.